Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to build a school bus app in Python. We'll learn how to create classes, work with objects, handle user input, and manage real-world data like students and buses. So without any wait, let's start the video. This class represents a student with a name and grade. When a student is created, these details are stored for later use. This class represents a bus. It stores the bus number, its capacity, and a list of students assigned to it. This method adds a student to the bus. It first checks if there is space available, then adds the student and shows a message. If the bus is full, it shows an error. This method starts by checking if there are any students assigned. If not, it shows a message and stops. If students exist, we display the bus number and loop through each student to show their name and grade. This is the main application class. It creates a bus with number 101 and capacity of 5 students. This is the main loop of the app. It keeps running, displays menu options, and waits for the user's input. Based on the user's choice, we either create a student, assign them to the bus, or display all students in the bus. This handles exiting the app or showing an error if the input is invalid. This method creates a temporary student by taking input and storing it, so it can be assigned to the bus later. This method assigns the created student to the bus. It first checks if a student exists before adding them. This creates the application and starts the menu loop so the user can interact with the system. So now let's test our application. I'm going to run the program, and you can see the menu appears on the screen.